Welcome back to AUHSD Spotlight, your weekly source for some of the latest and greatest happenings in and around the Anaheim Union High School District. In this episode, we'll be shining a spotlight on a Riot Games studio tour and National Hispanic Heritage Month. AUHSD students recently enjoyed an incredible behind-the-scenes experience at Riot Games Studio, a video game developer and esports tournament organizer, getting a first-hand look at their cutting-edge studio and esports arena. This exclusive tour provided a unique opportunity to explore the sophisticated production facilities that set the standard for live gaming broadcasts. Students delved into the high-tech world of Riot Games' live production setup and observed how the advanced technology and coordination come together to deliver seamless, high-quality broadcasts of their favorite games. From the control rooms where every play is monitored and managed, to the broadcast equipment that ensures a flawless viewing experience, students gained valuable insights into the professional side of esports. The tour culminated in an exhilarating experience as students watched the finals of a League of Legends match immersed in the vibrant atmosphere of the esports arena and witnessed the thrilling action of one of the most anticipated matches in the gaming world. This visit not only provided a deeper understanding of the technical aspects behind esports productions, but also allowed AUHSD students to experience the excitement and intensity of live competitive gaming. It was a day of inspiration and learning, showcasing the high standards and innovation that drive the world of esports. Finally, in observance of National Hispanic Heritage Month, we will celebrate and spotlight the significant contributions and achievements of Hispanic and Latinx individuals in the tapestry of American history across our social media platforms. AUHSD students will partake in this tribute by sharing reflections on individuals who inspire them, allowing us to further acknowledge their profound accomplishments and legacies. This has been AUHSD Spotlight. Stay up to date by following us on all our socials, and we'll see you next week.